Friends, today I am going to start the basics of mathematics classes. In basics of mathematics classes, I am start from numbers. How many types of numbers and what are the uses of numbers? Okay, numbers. Numbers. Numbers are used to numbers are used to counting things. Counting things or items. Counting things or items. In mathematics there are many applications in we are using numbers, but simply I am saying like this. So example, this is the one bowl. In bowl I am putting the apples. These are the apples. So how many apples? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I am counting. 6 is the numbers. 6 is numbers and apples are things. Okay, are you understanding the concept of numbers? The counting any things, we are using the numbers. Okay, in numbers now we are going to discuss type of numbers and how to use what are type of numbers. Next, types of numbers. Types of numbers. In types of numbers, first number is natural numbers. First number is natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers natural number start from 1, and natural numbers denoted by capital N. So capital N is equal to 0. Sorry, capital N is equal to 1, 2, 3 dash dash. This is the symbol of infinity. This is the symbol of infinite. Next, number is whole number. Next number is whole numbers. Next number is whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, and whole number is denoted by capital W. Okay, whole number is denoted by capital W. Is capital W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dash continuously. It is there is no ending numbers. So we are calling this symbol is infinite. Infinite or endless. Infinite or endless. Next we are briefly discuss about the integers. Next is the integers. Next is integers. Integers combination of whole numbers, and all negative numbers. All negative numbers. All negative numbers. Let's you observe here. You consider always 0 in center. From zeros, right side all positive numbers. from 0, from 0 left to right, left to right, all positive numbers, all positive numbers. Listen, from 0 left to right, all positive numbers. From 0 right to left, from 0 right to left, all negative numbers, all negative numbers. 0 is always center. From 0 left to right, all positive numbers, and next right to left, right to left, all negative numbers. Next we are going, we are going left to right, left to right side, right side, increasing values, increasing values of digits, values of digits. Example 2, 3, 4. Then now I am going left side to right side, then increasing the values of digits, increasing the values of digits. Okay, in integers when we are going left side to right side, then increasing the values of digits. Next we are going, we are going right side to left side, right to left side, right to left side, decreasing, decreasing values, decreasing values of digits. Digits are, you can say, numbers. Next vision 5, 4, 3, right side to left side, right side to left side, decreasing the values of digits, decreasing the values of digits. Next -1, decreasing the values of digits. Okay, in now I am going to give the one example. 2 and 80, -2 and 80, in between these two numbers which number is big value? So we are simply take the number line. From 0 right side is the positive value, left side is the negative values. When you are going right side to left side, when you are going left side to right side, increasing the values, increasing the values, you are observing like this, then 80 is the more value. Next, or you are, we are going right side to left side, right side to left side, then decreasing the values. In this way you are observing, then also the more value is the 8. And one more example you observe here, -80 or -50, -80 and -50. Somebody are asking you, in between these two numbers which number is the gives big value? Then somebody are saying 80 is the showing big number, that's why simply they are answering 80, but it is not correct. Let's you observe, in from 0 the right side to -80 is here, then you are going right side to left side, right side to left side, what our function? Right side to left side is decreasing the values. Or you can observe left side to right side, left side to right side, left side to right side, increasing the values. In this function decreasing. So in between these two ways, the -50 value is gives more value, -50 digit gives more values. That's why you note this point. We are going left, right side to left side, right side to left side, then decreasing the values. Next, when you are going left side to right side, then increasing the values. It is the very very important in integers of the concept. Okay, in among the numbers, in integer is also one type of numbers, but you little bit confusing here. That's why I am giving clear definitions of identifying the which number is the big values and which number is the less values. Okay, next number is odd numbers. Next types of numbers, odd numbers. odd numbers start from 1, and there is maintaining difference. Maintaining difference. Maintaining difference is 2. Next, odd number. Odd numbers not divisible by, not divisible by 2. Example, you observe starting from 1 and maintaining difference means in between the digits the gap is 2. Maintaining difference is 2. 5, 7, 9. Their gap is 2. Maintaining difference is 2. Every odd number is maintaining difference is 2. Example, one more thing, 137, fill the blanks. Fill the blanks means you can maintaining difference how much? 2. Then you add that to 39. Maintaining difference how much? 2. Then you add that to 39. Then you get 41. Okay. And odd number is not divisible by 2 means not divisible by means not divisible by 2 means if you are taking any odd number to divide with 9, then remainder is always getting something. 8 is 1. Remainder is getting always 1. In among the numbers 37, 120, next 38, next 121, next 36. Among this number, which numbers are odd numbers? Then you can easily identify. Then you divide these numbers with a 2. Then which number is getting the remainder 1? Those numbers are called odd numbers. So this number is not odd number. This is also not odd number. This is also not odd numbers. This is 121 is divided by 2, 6. Then you are taking, yes, remainder is getting 1. Then always you say this is the odd number. Okay. Next, even numbers. Even numbers start from, even numbers start from 2. Next, even numbers, even numbers divisible by, divisible by 2. Next, maintaining difference also. Maintaining difference, maintaining difference also 2. Example, even number start from 2 and maintaining difference also 2. Maintaining difference always 2. And one more condition is even numbers divisible by 2 means you take any one of the even number that be divided by 2, then whose remainder is getting 0. Whose remainder getting is 0. I am taking now 8, then I am divided by the 2, 4 ja 8, 0. Whose remainder is getting always 0. That's why I am saying even number is divisible by 2, and odd number is not divisible by 2 means whose remainder is always getting 1. Okay, now you are understood the concept between the divisible and not divisible. Then you can easily identify those are the even number, those are the odd numbers. Next, prime numbers. Next, prime numbers. Numbers, numbers which are divisible by, which are divisible by 1 and itself. 1, 1 and itself, those numbers are called prime numbers. Those numbers, those numbers are called prime numbers. Those are called prime numbers. Example, and next, prime numbers. Prime numbers start from 2. Start from 2. Example for prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. 13, etc. What I given definition: numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, means the number is divisible by only 1 and itself. It is not divisible by others. Sir, you are saying 7 is also one odd number na? Yes. 13 is also odd number na? Yes. But there is one little bit difference. Abhi let's you listen. 15. 15 is the odd number, but there is no prime numbers, because of when you are dividing 15 is 2, then you are getting the remainder 1. That's why I am saying this is the odd number, but it is not prime number, because of 15 is divisible by 1 and 3 and 5 and 15. But prime number, what is the difference of prime numbers and odd numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself, not divisible by others. Not divisible by others numbers. Those kinds of numbers are become odd number, but those kinds of numbers not become even numbers. Sorry, prime numbers. Prime numbers are divisible by only 1 and itself. Itself means that's number only. Now 7 is divisible by only 1 and 7. It is not divisible by others numbers. That's why we are calling this is the prime number. Okay. Next, it becomes even odd number also, but there is a little bit difference between odd numbers and prime numbers. You should be find out. I given already definition. Which numbers are divisible by only 1 and itself, those numbers are called prime numbers. But odd number is remainder always getting 1 when we are divided by 2. Okay na? And when we are divided by the 2, then numbers are remainder getting 0. Those numbers are called even numbers. Next, composite number. Next, composite numbers. Next, composite numbers means numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Those numbers are called composite numbers. Numbers which are having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. More than 2 factors are called composite number. Composite numbers. And composite numbers start from 4, because of, let's show what is our definition: numbers which are having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. That's why numbers 4 is having more than 2 factors. Start from, let's you take 1. 1 is possible only divisible by 1 only. Okay. Next, you take 2. 2 is divisible by only 1 and having the factor only 2. Next, you take 3. There is only, but our condition in composite numbers which are having more than 2 factors, but here only 1 factor, but here only 2 factors, but we want more than 2. Next, let's you take 3. 3 is divisible by only 1 and 3. Okay, only 2 factors, but you take 4. 4 is divisible by 1 and divisible by 2 and divisible by 4. Okay na? You are getting the factors 1 and 2 and 4. Our condition is more than 2 factors. Then here more than 2 factors, but 4 getting 3 factors. That's why the composite number start from 4. 4. Example, 4 and 6, 8 and 9 and 10, etc. Sir, how can you say 9? 9 is the 9. 9 you are getting the factors 1 and 3 and 9. Okay. How many factors? 3 factors. More than 2 factors. Those are called the composite number. Okay, you are understanding the what is the composite number? The numbers which are they having more than two factors, those numbers are called composite numbers, and composite numbers start from 4. Okay, you take one example to finding the which numbers are becomes which numbers. Example 7. 7 is become natural number or not? Yes. Every numbers become natural as well as whole numbers. That's 7 is become natural number or not? Yes. Every numbers become natural number and whole numbers. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4 continuously. Okay, and whole number is start from 0, 1, 2, 3 continuously. Okay, then 7 becomes natural number. Yes. Next, whole numbers. Yes. Okay now. Next, odd number. Odd number, how do you check? Then that number is divisible by 2. That number is divisible by 2, then you are getting the remainder 1. Yes. 7 is become odd number. Yes. But 7 is become even number or not? That you going to check. That you going to check. Take the numbers 7 and divisible by 2, then whose remainder getting 0. But you are getting 1. That's why 7 is not become even number. Next, 7 is become prime number or not? Yes. Let's you go and check. What is our condition of prime numbers? Prime numbers are divisible by only 1 and itself. Yes. 7 is getting the factors only 1 and 7. So it's become prime number or not? Yes. It is also become prime numbers. Next, you are getting it is become integer or not? Yes, integer, because of integers having every all positive numbers as well as negative numbers including 0. Okay na, that's why 7 is also become integers. Yes. Next, 7 is become composite number or not? Let you going to check. What is the definition of composite number? Composite numbers having more than two factors, but you take the 7 is having only 1 and 7. That's why 7 is not become composite number. Okay, up to now whatever the numbers we are discussed, just I hope you understand. Next number is rational numbers. Next number is rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers written written in the form of P by Q, where the condition Q does not equal to 0. Okay, rational numbers always written in the form of P by Q form, where Q does not equal to 0. Next, rational numbers denoted by or denoted by capital Q. Okay, where where P by Q means where P is the numerator, and Q is the denominator. Okay, and there I give one condition, Q does not equal to 0 means denominators never becomes 0. If denominator becomes 0, those kinds of numbers are not rational numbers. Okay, example, rational number example 7 by their P by Q form. Okay, P by Q form, every P by Q form becomes rational numbers. 4. Next, 137 by root 2 is also one rational numbers. Next, sorry, it's not become rational number. 37 by 80 is also rational number. Not example, not rational numbers. Not rational numbers means example 3 by 0. 3 by 0. I given already condition where Q does not equal to 0. If the Q denominator becomes 0, those kinds of are the not rational numbers. These are the not rational numbers. Okay, but it's become rational number. Yes, 0 by 7 is becomes rational number because of there is only condition is Q does not equal to 0, but P does not is P does not equal to 0. That condition is not given. Okay, that's why this is also become rational number. Okay. Next number is irrational number. Next number is irrational number. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot written in the form of cannot written in the form of in the form of p by q. P by q. Example: root 2, root 5, and root 7 are the example of irrational number. Next, 22 by 7 is also one irrational number. How can you, sir? Sir, it is the 22 by 7 in the form of p by q form. Then every p by q form becomes irrational number. Then now you are given the example under the irrational number. Then how it is possible? But when you are dividing 22 by 7, then is quotient also going continuously different numbers, continuously different numbers, and is remainder is also going continuously. It is it is become non-terminating and non-repeating terms, also called as irrational number. In further classes I give the briefly introduction about the non-terminating and non-repeating terms. Okay. Then 22 also becomes irrational number, not rational number. That is in the form of p by q form, but it is the irrational number. I will give in further classes about the how to 22 by 7 becomes irrational number. Okay. Next, irrational number is denoted by irrational numbers denoted by capital S. Okay. Capital S is equal to root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, etc. Next, real numbers. Real numbers combination of irrational and rational numbers. Irrational and rational numbers. And real numbers denoted by capital R. Then capital R is equal to rational number and irrational number. Okay. Example: 2 plus root 3. Next, combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Real numbers. This is the one integers. Then this is also becomes rational number. This is p by q form, becomes rational number. But root 3 is the irrational number. That's why I am saying the real numbers are combination of irrational numbers and real numbers. Among the next, you take the notes. That you take note. Note is very important. Numbers natural number natural numbers and whole numbers. Next, odd numbers. Next, even numbers. Numbers having starting even numbers. Next, one more numbers: prime numbers. Next, composite numbers. Composite numbers. These numbers are having starting starting numbers. Starting numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, having starting numbers, but but there is no ending numbers. No ending numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3. That's continuously going. Next, whole number start from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 going continuously. Next, odd number start from 1, 3, 5 going continuously. Next, even number start from 2, 4 going continuously. Next, prime number start from 2, 3, 5, 7 going continuously. Next, composite number start from 4, 6, 8 going continuously. That's why I am saying these numbers are having natural number, whole number, odd number, even number, prime number, composite numbers having the starting point, but there is no ending numbers. Starting numbers, but there is no ending numbers. Next, among the all numbers, among the all numbers, big number is big numbers, big number is real number, real numbers. Next, third note is prime numbers, prime numbers and even numbers, even numbers start start from 2. Okay. Next, start from 2. Next, 1 is neither prime number, neither prime number nor composite number, nor composite numbers, not composite numbers. Next, one more note is one more note is every starting number, every starting numbers, every starting numbers becomes whose smallest number or least number, smallest number or least number. Example, natural is natural, which is the smallest or least number of natural number. Natural number means every starting numbers becomes whose smallest number or least number. Natural number smallest number is 1. Okay. Next, whole number smallest number is 0, because of whole number start from 0. Natural number start from 1. Next, odd number start from 1. Okay, now that's why odd number smallest number and least number become 1. Next, even number smallest number or least number becomes 2. Even number and prime numbers also smallest number or even number becomes 2. Next, composite numbers smallest number or least number become 4, because of composite number start from 4. Next, one more conditions, every these numbers are having the starting numbers, but there is no ending numbers. Anybody asking like this, what is the biggest number of composite number? Then you say simply answer is no, because of every numbers there is no ending number. Then how can you find out the biggest number? Okay, these are the concept of all numbers. Next, types of all types of numbers. Okay, just you recall the all those point to identify the which are the which numbers. Okay, today in this class we discussed all types of numbers. Okay, in all type of numbers, natural number, whole numbers, next integers. Okay, next odd numbers, next even numbers, next prime numbers, next composite numbers, next irrational numbers, next rational numbers, next real numbers. Okay, now among the all the numbers, the biggest number is real numbers. Okay, next now I am going to give the one Venn diagram up to identifying the numbers, which numbers are becomes